BatteryShield is an exclusive patent-pending technology offered only by Pacific Floorcare. We designed this to specifically address the #1 cost and the #1 nuisance issue found in the industry with battery-powered cleaning equipment, and that's early battery life replacement. The essence of BatteryShield is that it's going to save customers money. We have a tagline that says, "Shield yourself from high battery costs," especially those that are struggling with battery maintenance. Customers told us they wanted 3 things from a battery protection system. First, they said, have it tell us when the water levels are getting low. Second, they said, have the battery protection system ensure that they don't use the batteries when the water is low. And then third, they wanted to make it safe, easy, and virtually foolproof when their operators went to actually fill the batteries with water. So in the end, we set out to meet those requirements when we designed BatteryShield. The answer to who can benefit from BatteryShield is basically, the short answer is anyone that's struggling with battery life of 2 years or less. They would see a significant return on their investment if they invested in BatteryShield. In fact, the way we were able to price BatteryShield is even if it saves 1 battery pack over the life of the machine, it will pay for itself. The most common reaction from customers is, why hasn't somebody invented this sooner? And so that obviously is something that makes us feel really good. But when they're saying that, what they really mean is they immediately see the savings, and they also immediately see that they're going to stop having all the nuisance issues that they're having today with their current battery watering program.